This is problem number 33 from the June 2017 Algebra Regents exam. So we've got a function r of x, and it's x squared plus 3x minus 18. And it says to use factoring to determine the zeros of it. So it's fairly straightforward. All we gotta do is factor this guy. So I'm gonna start by writing my two sets of brackets with our x's in front. And so what we're doing now is we're looking for two numbers that multiply, I'm just going to write like this, blank times blank, to get us our c value, in this case negative 18, and the same two numbers that add to get us our b value, which in this case is positive 3. So let's just think about that for a second. So probably going to be 6 and 3. One of them's negative, so it'd be negative 6 and positive 3, because that will get us negative 18 if you multiply them. And if you add negative 6 plus 3, oh, sorry, no, that's not right. I got it backwards. It should be negative 3. That makes more sense, because 6 plus negative 3 gets us positive 3. There we go. So that means it's going to be x plus 6 and x minus 3. So to solve this, we're going to set both of these equal to 0. So if x plus 6 equals 0, that means x would equal negative 6. And if x minus 3 was equal to 0, that means x equals 3. Now for the last part of the question, it says to explain what the zeros represent on the graph. So hopefully you remember that zeros are another word for x-intercepts. So the zeros represent the x-intercepts of the graph. So I mean, you could even show that visually. So negative 6 would be over here, 3 would be over here. So if we were to graph the parabola, it might kind of look something like that. And that's all you really need for an explanation. It's pretty straightforward. The zeros represent the x-intercepts. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.